Good morning. Today's story is Farmyard Sounds, written by Colin and Jackie Hawkins. Colin and Jackie Hawkins. A pig will, see the pig hiding behind the wall, grunts. Can you grunts? Let's be pigs. Let's see what else we can find. A horse goes neigh. Can you be a horse? Neigh. Let's see who else we can find. A sheep will. Can you see the sheep? What noise does a sheep make? Baa. Baa. Can you say baa like a sheep? A hen will. You see the hen? Cluck. Can you all say cluck? Cluck, 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 cluck. Let's see who else we can find. A duck can quack, quack, quack. Can you all quack like a duck? Quack, quack, quack. Let's see who else we can find. And a cow goes. There's your little cow. What noise does a cow make? Moo, moo. Baby cows, are you ready? Moo. How many sounds can you do? Shall we see how many sounds we can do? Can you be a cow? Moo. Can you be a duck? Quack, 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 quack. Can you be a chicken? Cluck, 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 cluck. Can you be a pig? Already? Oink, 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 oink. And that's the end of our story. Now, we're going to learn some more about animal signs that we learnt last week. So is everyone ready? So what did we have first in our story? We had a pig, didn't we? So can you make the sign for pig? You've got to put your hand by your nose and go. Move your hand up and down. And that's the sign for pig. Oink, oink, oink. Let's see what else we can be. What else do we have? A horse. Can you make a horse sign? So you've got to put your hands together, make a fist with them, put them on top of each other and move them up and down. And that's the sign for horse. What else did we have in our story? We had a sheep. So the sign for sheep, got to put your little fingers like that and move them around in little circles. Can you do that? That's the sign for sheep. And we did this one last week. We had a chicken. You're going to get your arms, make little fists and cluck like a chicken, cluck, cluck, cluck. And that's the sign for chicken. And we had a duck in our story, and that's the sign for duck. We did this one last week as well. So use your hand, make a quacking look, duck. And we had a cow. This one's quite hard. You're going to stick your little finger and your thumb up like that. And you're going to just put them to your head like this. Cow. And that's the sign for cow. I hope everyone's enjoyed our story today, and we'll see you next week. Bye.